Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta operation. It's a cold and kind of cloudy day here in Atlanta, but I wanted to share this awesome 2025 R1S with you. It just came in for installation of Team 1EV RMaxx running boards. Now you may remember EV Sportline and Team 1EV were the very first to come out with running boards for the Rivians, and of course when the 2025 refresh came out, we were the first to have an updated version that of course bolts on, no modifications, ready to go for your R1S. These things are really a super popular upgrade for us. This is such a great truck, I love it. When you open this up, you get the step. Whether you have kids, older people, somebody that's a little shorter stature, maybe some pets, these steps are an awesome installation on here. What a great upgrade. These RMaxx running boards were very carefully engineered specifically for Rivian fitment. A few things to go over. First of all, we wanted to keep them up tight so you don't lose any ground clearance underneath this, and our brackets are nearly flush. If you look at other ones in the market from other competitors, the brackets hang down low, they're going to get into the airflow and they're going to reduce ground clearance, and they kind of look weird when you're looking in from the side and you can see them. On the RMaxx, it's flush underneath, no ground clearance loss. Next, we kept ours tucked in. There's an air curtain that runs along the length of the Rivian, and that's going to be impacting the range of the vehicle. So we kept ours in tight where it's not outside of that envelope. Very aerodynamic design, very carefully designed. On the top side of this, we offer two plate options. This is the triple slot, and if you prefer it, we have one called the triple square, which has a little smaller square inlet in there. The material on this is alloy steel, so this is built in a fixture. This is powder coated, will last a lifetime with your truck. Really a solid step. You could put as much weight on this as you need to. Now, we also have the rock sliders, so if you want a little extra protection underneath, you can opt for the rock sliders, which integrate a running board step as well. You kind of get the best of both worlds. If you're going off-road or you want that extra underside protection, go with the rock sliders. Otherwise, the running boards right here, the RMaxx running boards, are a great upgrade, easy to install. You can do this DIY at home. You got to get on your back and take some plastic off, bolt this on. We have an option where you can cut holes in the plastic if you want to keep the plastic panels on there. Check it out on our website. All the details are there. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more upgrades for Rivians coming your way soon.